Well, welcome back everyone to Old Tom and his big red chair. I'm Old Tom and of course this is my big red comfy chair. Now I've just looked on my table. This is Willy Wombat's box. He normally has to sleep in there sometimes when he wants to be nice and quiet. But Willy Wombat's told me he can't find his friendly emu. I don't know where she is, but we'll talk about that after the show because the show's coming up. Boys and girls, I'll tell you what, while I see if I can find Willy Wombat, let's go and see what's on Old Tom and his big red chair, and I'll be back soon. Alright, see you in a moment. Well, hello again, boys and girls. Well, I don't know why, I've already said hello once, haven't I, when I was in my big red chair. I've come into my magic studio today because I want to teach you a really good card trick that you can share with all your friends. But it takes a lot of practice. Remember, especially if you've got smaller hands, it takes lots and lots of practice. So I want when you learn how to do it, I want you to practice in front of a mirror. Would you do that for me? As you can see, I've got lots of cards. I've got this blue pack, I've got red packs there, and I've even got this great big, I'll show you, this great big giant pack of cards. Look at those, aren't those big? Oh, and you can't do this trick with the big ones because they're too big. So you just want an ordinary pack of cards. Now, and get the cheapest cards you can get normally because they are really thin. We want really thin cards for this, right? Now, are you ready? I'm going to shuffle the cards. I'll do the trick first for you. I'll shuffle the cards, and now I'm going to go through them like this. And I want you to, when I do, I want you to tell me to stop anywhere you like. Are you ready? Going through. Stop. You want me to stop there? Okay. Now, I think that card is a red card. No, wait. It's a black card. I think it's a black card. Now, it's a black card. Now, I've got clubs and I've got spades. No, I think it's clubs. I think it's clubs, the ones that look like little grapes. I think it's clubs. Now, I don't think it's a high number. I don't think it's a jack, queen or king. I think it's a lower number. I think it's the 4 of clubs. Shall we have a look? 4 of clubs? Yes. Oh, isn't that good? Oh, wow. Would you like me to see? I'll do it again one more time, right? Now, are you ready? I'm going to go through the cards and you say stop. Stop, there, okay. Now, I'll put those cards down. All right, we won't look at it. I think your card this time is a black. No, it's a red card. It's a red card, and I think it's a diamond. I think it's a diamond, and I can see a man. I'm getting a feeling there's a man, and the only man I know in a pack of cards is the jack. I think it's a jack of diamonds. It is. Oh, isn't that clever? Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very easy. And it's a trick I've done many times on stage. And one time I was entertaining the World Stars at the Gold Coast here in Queensland. And this is one of the tricks I did when I was walking around. And he fooled them all. Not one of them knew this trick. So first of all, you take a pack of cards. And you've got to shuffle them. Now practice this. If you've only got little hands, practice shuffling the cards. Alright? Because it always looks good. So I've got a pack of cards here and I'm going to shuffle them. Now, when you finish shuffling, you want to put them straight. So you put them straight. And now, don't forget, that's the card I've got facing me. Alright? So you don't let anyone see because they only see the backs of the card. So while you're putting them straight, you look at that card, which is a jack of diamonds. Alright? And you say, and hold it in your hand, don't let them see the bottom card, but now your thumb goes underneath that card. So when you want, you can slide it out. Can you see that? Okay. So you go through and you say, okay, tell me when to stop. Stop? Okay. Now I think that card, you don't tell them straight away what it is. I think that card was a black card. No, it's a red card, And we've got hearts or diamonds. I don't think it was a heart. I think it's a diamond. And the number. Now, what card is it? I don't think it's a number. I can see pictures. It isn't a queen. don't think it's a, I think it isn't a king, I don't think. I think it's a jack of diamonds. Shall we have a look? So when you pull it out now, watch carefully. You're pulling it out. Can you see it coming out? Can you see it? With your thumb. And you pull it out and you say, jack of diamonds. Alright? And then you can do it again. Next time, of course, you look at the, when you do the bottom card, I'll do it very fast. Okay, now then, I've looked at the bottom card because it's facing me. Alright, or you can shuffle the cards again if you like. Shuffle the cards. And then you put them straight, you put your finger underneath, remember your thumb underneath, and you cover it up like this. And you say, okay, tell me when to stop. Now, don't forget, now be nice and straight. And while you're facing it, you're looking at the card, remember that. And then you've got to try and remember that card. So you go down, say stop, stop, okay, are you sure you want that one? Now, when you're sliding those off, again, you slide the bottom one out like that, and you say, right. Don't look at it. You can put those away and say, right, I think your card is a black, no, it's a red card. You know what it is. You think your card's a black, no, it's a red card. And I don't think it's a diamond. Or it could be a diamond. No, I think it's a heart. I think it's a red card and it's a heart. And I think it's a 4. No, it isn't a 4. It's higher than a 4. 7. No. 8. I think it's a 10 of hearts. Let's have a look, shall we? 10 of hearts. And then you put it down and you say, and that is magic. And say nothing else, and everyone should clap. All right. So isn't that clever? So that's very, very easy to do. But it does take a lot of practice. Again, when you shuffle the cards, let them see you shuffling the card, and when you tamping them down, always have that card, the bottom card facing you, so you can see what it is. But nobody else must see that card. All right. And again, you say, tell them to say stop, stop, anywhere you like, and you pull that bottom card out like that. You've already looked at it. I know it's a 4 of hearts. All right. So you put it down. And you say, right, we're finished with those cards, now they can go there. Now I'm going to try and guess what your card is. I have to use a bit of magic. You can say, I have to use a bit of magic for this. Ready? Abracadabra. Right. I think it's a red card. Yes. And I think it's a diamond. No, it's a heart. See how I've changed my mind? It makes it sound more realistic, doesn't it? I think, and you can say, eventually you can say, I think it's a heart, I think it's a 4 of heart, and you can show them. And isn't that good? So that's an easy trick for you to do. But look, with any trick, I want you to practice. Alright? With any trick, I want you to practice it. It's very important that you sit there, and if you've got a mirror in front of you, it's even better. Don't show anyone until you've practiced and practiced and practiced. Because if they see you sliding that card out with your thumb, then they'll guess how it's done. And if somebody says, show me again, you can do it twice. And of course, the way to find out the bottom card is when you're tamping them down in front of you. You've got the cards facing you. So the next one is 4 of diamonds. So you're tamping them down in front of you. So okay, we'll get the cards nice and straight. And I'll put them in my hand like that, so you know what the card is there. Right. But you've got to remember that card. All right. So that's a really easy trick you can do. But again, as I say, practice and practice and practice before you show anyone. Because if they find out how it's done, they'll realise you're just playing a trick on them and it's not magic. And then after you're finished, you can have a little magic wand and you can go, when you've chosen the card, they say stop. We know it's a 4 of diamonds, so you can put them down like that, don't let them see underneath, and you can say, we're finished with those now. Now, for me to guess, I've got to use the magic wand. Abracadabra. Right, I think, and you can tell them what the card is. As I say, don't tell them straight away. Don't say, it's a 4 of diamonds. You say, I think it's a red card. I don't, and put your hand up, make it look as if you're thinking, I don't think it's a heart. Or is it a heart? No, I think it's a diamond. And I don't think it's Jack, Queen or King. I think it's a low number. It's not a 1 or 2, I don't think. I think it's a 4 of diamonds. Pick it up, you show them. You see, that's made it sound so realistic instead of just saying what the card is. Well, I hope you enjoyed that magic trick. I really enjoyed performing it. And I'm going to come back and if I've got time, I'll join it onto this video. But if I haven't got time, then on the next one, I'll just do it separately. All right? So, okay. So I'll be back very soon with another fabulous card trick that you can show your friends. Okay? I'll get back to my big red chair now. Yeah. Oh, welcome back, boys and girls. Oh, I think I've found out what happened to the emu. I knew he went somewhere, but Willie one back can't find it. And I thought Willie was asleep in his box, but Willie isn't in the box. There's someone else in the box. Can you guess who it is? Listen. Are you open? Come on, come and say hello. It's Emu. It is a bit shy. He was asleep in the box, boys and girls. Let's have another look, shall we? Come on, Emu. Come on, come out. Wow. Hello. Oh, he's having a big yawn. Look, he's tired. Are you tired? Oh, there's the boys and girls out there, look. I know, yes, they are nice boys and girls, aren't they? But we've got to go now because, look, I'll tell you what. I'm going to finish the show and then we'll go down and see if we can find Willie Wombat and his friends, shall we? You want to play with his friends? Of course, they're probably looking for you too. Have you been asleep in there long? All day? Oh, all right. Boys and girls, it's time for us to go. I'm going to take Emu down the park to see if we can find Willie Wombat and the rest of the friends. Until then, I'll see you next time on Old Tom and his big red chair. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you ready to go? All right, let's go there. Back in the box. Back in the box. That's it. No, back in the box. That's it.